This is a 1953 Remington Quiet Riter typewriter. It has been refurbished and is in excellent condition, and it's ready to type. This typewriter is in excellent condition. Everything works as it should, and it looks really nice. It has been painted yellow. Spacebar has a little bit of scratches, just normal wear and use. The keys look really good. There's about the only scratch on it that I could find is just a little bit of scratch there. Looks really good. This typewriter also comes with a reprinted user's manual. And the original case still has the key. It's in solid condition. It does have some spots on it. Just normal wear. The green cloth inside does have some just normal wear from age. That doesn't look too bad. That's for the 1953 Remington Quiet Riter typewriter.